Of course it was. We knew that, Steve.
Yeah.
It had to be. It's got to be. You knew that. This is the biggest I think you will probably see. I mean, well, apart from the Shorts caves and that. But
Yeah, Shorts are well and truly sealed though.
Oh, look, lovely cave spider.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's loads of them. Don't show me. So yeah, hello boys and girls, ladies and gents. If you're watching, this is Urban Underground Explorers Kent. Back in another area. I'm not going to name it. Loads of you know where we are. It should be sealed, but there you go. Oh, there you go. Look at the original numbering. Oh, they've got in here with the idiots have got in here with the spray paint cans, which is a shame.
Just the trouble. It won't take long. We don't need that bit, do we? There's enough of it.
All right, lads.
Oh, they've ruined it.
Yeah, so
It won't take long, will it?
no. Well, we had backup plans in case we couldn't get in here anyway.
This is going to be the old time.
Oh wow! Check it out. Look, no, that's
Section R.
yeah. It's even clearer. Look at that. Centre seats 216 to 325. Smoking strictly forbidden. Yes, that was me.
Stood on a rat, did you?
Yes.
I wonder if we've seen bats today.
God knows what, we saw one last
No,
night.
just
You was
the
right
one.
to say that. Bats as a cover story. He's fattening on football. Two for the price of one. Well done. That's all right, I'll boot it back to you.
Bit of cake football.
Oh wow, look at the
Tunnel 3. Centre seats. These are massive. Look.
oh wow.
I have big.
I'm videoing this one.
Was it worth coming down, Jamie?
Yeah.
Tunnel 3.
Bloody hellfire. This is bigger than Ramsgate, by the way. What do you think's this one? That's a good question. Original fire bucket. Here, I'll check this out. Look at this.
I'm videoing for a very long time.
Yeah, on.
Hear me?
Yeah, me and Clive found one in.
Yes, that's a ventilation system at the back.
Logo on it. Yeah, I seen one in that good condition.
Well, it goes out through the side here, it comes out to another door.
Don't keep kicking it, because it'll echo like hell.
I could hear you when I was up there, and down there, sounded like music.
Yeah.
We're steaming up,
You what, Clive?
because the lenses are cold, they're just into the warm area, we have to clean it.
Just found all the ventilation ducting. Oh, a load of chemical Elson toilets.
Big pile of them.
Yeah, big
There's
pile.
about 100 of them there.
Yeah.
I'll be with you in a minute. I'm just once we come into here, it's. Oh shit! I think it's going to be steamed up here. Yeah. Oh, I'm all right now. Even the bloody eyepiece is steamed up.
Oh yeah, this is part of it down like Jamie, stop walking on because I have no flashlight.
Yeah, you two stick together. You got the clap sunlight. Yeah, you two stick together with the clap sunlight. Oh.
There's another way through. This is nothing.
Oh, here's the ventilation here. Wow.
Look, I can smell that from my bath.
Fucking hell. You can actually get in the ventilation duct in. I'm off now, mate.
He's off after ventilation.
I've got to take my bag off. I can't get through.
Wait, I think there's already on the floor.
Well, if you go through this door, the old is right there.
No, I'm going to go in here. Yeah, it'd be Clive in that, won't it?
There's lights there.
Oh yeah, see what else.
First aid room.
Fucking hellfire. How big? How big is this? I'm in here.
Because it's too
Holy hellfire. So yeah, this is Urban Underground Exploration Kent here. I'm in another area today. What's in this door? Oh wow, the filters are in here. I'm inside it.
No, I was wondering how far.
Yeah, you got the filters in there.
Through this.
No, you won't fall through that. Well, who said they saw the first aid post?
Look, it says
Room, first aid room, that way.
Oh wow, watch out, I'll get a picture of it.
a good one.
Who has?
Josh.
Do you reckon Josh has missed out, boys?
Yeah.
Are you glad you come?
What is that?
So it runs all the way down, it goes from A down to P.
You're
Eh?
going through that area?
I'm going to do the whole lot.
Yes, what I mean, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to...
Yeah, exactly. That obviously was the toilet area, wasn't it?
Yeah, there's some of them all the way down.
Jesus Christ. This place is never ending.
Yeah, toilet block, obviously.
Toilets are useful, aren't they?
Yeah. This place is never ending, Jacob. Oh, I'm happy as a pig rolling shit.
Just have a damage on them.
Well,
No, there's pink.
is there?
There's pink.
I'm going to check down here.
Yeah, Steve, there's a pink arrow there, the same colour as that owl.
Yeah, that would be the Ramsgate boys that done that. Yeah, we don't want to go down there.
Is that another entrance?
Yeah, we don't want to be going down there. Yeah, I've just found there's another one down there as well. No. Point the vertical bar, point that way. Chemical Elson toilet boys. Basically what they would have done, it's not plumbed into the ground, they would have filled it up with chemicals and pine disinfectant and that to degrade all the urine and feces. Then once it's full, they would have poured it out and emptied it and cleaned it and reused it again.
This goes on forever.
Yeah, it does. Happy that you come?
Wait. We got to remember there's a hole in it.
Yeah, it's alright. Just wait for those guys. Are you happy you come? What do you think?
Big. It's
Wait
big,
for Jake.
really big.
Oh yeah, it's bigger than anything I've seen so far. It's on par with what I saw last
It
night.
goes like 3 miles long. This one does.
It's too big.
I think that's to an entranceway, but it's open.
It's open.
Well, it's open a bit, so you need to watch your torches.
Right, you lot stay there with the torches, I'll go with the camera. Oh well, yeah. Don't go around there with the lights. Jamie and Declan there.
Hey.
We can't say where it is. Most of you will know where it is, but I say you do not name it.
I will not name this. Way bigger than the smoky.
Oh yeah, definitely.
It goes on forever.
To first aid room, tunnel 6, seats 165 to 3.
We started at tunnel R.
Yeah, that's just straight back that way.
Oh, so it's like a massive circle.
Yeah, they're all interlinked.
Oh, that's good. Then we can't get this.
No.
I have no light. How can I film without light? You know you do that without.
Don't go, just can't get still. Hey, Echo, you've got to remember we're underground, so you need to watch your noise.
In fact, we're in a cliff somewhere, which I'm not saying. Shite.
Oh my god.
He just